surprise Hermes box unboxing. It's in my bag. A mini Kelly sent to me that I didn't even pay for. Okay, I lied. Well, I didn't lie. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy anything more from Hermes, and I didn't buy anything more from Hermes, right? But it accidentally got shipped to my house. It was under my account. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. We're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. And a quick Hermes journey update. We're gonna buy Birkin. Technically, this is still we're gonna buy Birkin. We're gonna buy Birkin. And Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxing. Hermes haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak, I go here at GEEK, a luxury lover, a shop all like shit and Hermes haul. And today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing from a purchase. A quick Hermes unboxing. We're gonna buy Birkin. Today we're doing more We're gonna buy Birkin. And now a quick Hermes unboxing that's going towards We're gonna buy Birkin. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And a quick Hermes journey update as I am working to buy Birkin. So I got this in the mail. It was signed from FedEx, and I was like, what? What did I? And then I remembered that when I went to Hermes the other week to try to check in and, you know, do my whole, the update videos there, but to check in about my Birkin and my wish list and my birthday, I didn't get it, obviously. This isn't a Birkin. Wait, this is a Birkin. It can't be, it's too small. That's the a mini Kelly sent to me that I didn't even pay for. Couldn't it be so exciting? What if the Hermes gone to like, here you go, here's a box. Oh, wouldn't that be so nice? Probably not. But anyway, so I forgot that when I went there that best friend some stuff under my account because we're still trying to build my account, and I said I wasn't gonna spend any more, and I didn't. I did not lie, I'm not spending any more. I did not buy this. I did not purchase this. It's just on my account, going through my account, because he got it. Because he's not looking to get a bag, so he's trying to help me. Best friend. Everyone should get a best friend. Just only need one. One person that's in your corner, one person that's your person. Not romantic, just friends, to clarify. Anyway, so his box came in, so I signed for it, and I didn't even realize that it's his. I was just like, oh, surprise, I'm unboxing, so I gotta open it. Now I realize it's his, but I'm still gonna pretend like I didn't know it was his, and I'm just gonna open it, and then he'll figure it out. Also, he's not gonna care that I opened this. So I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'll just give it to him. Shh, don't tell. Don't watch, don't tell. He doesn't watch these. Are you watching? Shh, don't tell. Okay, so I don't know what this surprise. So we're gonna pretend that this is just a random. I don't know what this is. Oh my god, I'm a surprise Hermes unboxing. Here we go. Let's open it. I know exactly what it is because he bought it, but that's okay. Shh, don't tell. So, but it's always fun to see what I got. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, update as of now. I think my essay is still working towards getting my bag and hopefully, you know, pushing. It seemed like, you know, that was the case last. Oh yeah, when you do Hermes online, sometimes they do these little boxes. Sometimes when you do Hermes online, if you see my previous video, they do they give you the orange boxes inside the boxes, depending on the item. But sometimes they just do this box, which is like, this is what they did when I got a bunch of my fashion jewelry before I just bought it online because before I was like going to the store a lot or like that. I can actually post those because I still have that video because I took a video thinking I was going to make it into this channel way before this channel started. So I will post those maybe later and do a little recap. But so it comes in one of these white boxes. Oh, there's a box inside this box. Bienvenue, chef Hermes. This is how they did it too. This is literally exactly the same. So it comes with this, and there's usually a little card. These are there to protect, as always. And then you got a 1, and you got a 2. I'm gonna do a really good job on unboxing these and then rebox them because he's actually on his way over right now to pick this up. So let's do it really fast. Okay. So. He got a bracelet. Ah, cute little bracelet. This is a bracelet. Yeah, this one won't understand it. Oh, another t-shirt. Little H, please. Do you guys like how stealthily I'm trying to freaking open these? Because I'm going to pack them back up and put it back in the box and see if he notices. He probably will, because he's literally the most meticulous person in the world. But let's see if I can do it. You guys can pack it back with me. So basically he got this shirt in blue, another ready-to-wear blue shirt, and then he got a bracelet for himself because he wanted a bracelet to match his new Rolex that he just got, or to like complement his Rolex that he just got. He just got a new Submariner. So jealous. Like impossible to get back. I could do a video on Rolex too. Actually, I should do a video on Rolex and the whole process because it's like Hermes. It's like they're literally, you can't just go in and get the watch you want. There's such a long wait list. It's been so crazy ever since pandemic and like even more crazy the resale market, and yeah. Okay, let's see if I can pack these back up. I think I did a pretty good job. Right? This one is a little harder, and this is the one he probably would not have wanted me to touch. I hope he never watches this video. He won't. Does that make me a bad friend? Don't answer that. How am I gonna do this? There's no like that. How do they wrap these? This is not gonna work in my favor. Let's see if I can do it. Just like that. Oh, okay. So, okay. So it's just kind of like that, and then it crosses here. That. Let's go like this. Across the back. I think this is gonna be my best attempt because I can't. Ugh! Not bad, right? I think that's pretty good. It's not how they do it at all, but I think it's pretty good still. Oh, I'm supposed to wrap the H around there. Well, you know what? I can't because he's gonna be here. Anyways, yeah, that's what he got. Excited for him. More of that same t-shirt that I love, that I literally have 100 of. He got in a color I don't have too, which I'm kind of a little jealous about, actually. It's a pretty color, but I'm sure I'll borrow it because we're the same size. Should have paid more attention when I opened it. I'm about to, like, I'm sweating. Okay. Not bad. Best, but not bad. Whew. You think I can get away with this, guys? Okay, anyway. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is gonna get away. I'll get away with it or not. So yeah, he got this, ordered the t-shirt and the, oh. So close. So close. Okay. I mean, it's pretty freaking good, right? Okay. You got the t-shirt in this extra small, so hopefully I can share with him. And then you got this bracelet and whatever. That's like, you know, another $600-700 towards my spend. Hopefully in the right direction. So we'll see. Still no bag. Still no bag, but we'll see soon. Okay. Let me know in the comments below if you think he's gonna get it, if you can open it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Bye.